Hi, my name is Thiago from south of Brazil, and sorry for my mistakes in spoken English. I'm trying to do my best. My idea to an experiment is related to metacognitive ability of self-efficacy from learners. Self-efficacy pertains to people's beliefs about their ability to successfully complete a given task. And research with students has clearly demonstrated the importance of self-efficacy to achievement in education. How well a learner predicts your success in problem solving? My idea is to present the learner with a statement of an algorithm. The learner is asked to answer the question, how well do you resolve this problem? One of these three alternatives are chosen by a student. 1. I can resolve successfully. 2. I can resolve successfully in part. 3. I cannot resolve successfully. Then, after learner tries to resolve the problem, if learner has resolved successfully and predicted that would resolve successfully, he earns 1 point. If learner has not resolved successfully and predicted that would not resolve it successfully, he earns 1.2. If learner has resolved parts of problems successfully and predicted that would resolve it successfully in parts, he receives 1 point. In all other cases, the learner don't earn any score. At the end of experiments, will be done the sum of learners' scores. The goal of the experiment is to see if students who completed self-reflective activities before making predictions have better self-efficacy than those students who did not undergo self-reflective activities. The higher the score, the better self-efficacy. The factor could be the learner performed some self-reflection activities before making your predictions on the problem, yes or no. And that's it.